Businesses today are living in a different world. Budgets are tighter. Regulations require stricter accountability and transparency. Resources are outsourced globally, and companies have to operate around the clock. But with these challenges lies a tremendous opportunity. Old infrastructure and processes are holding businesses back. It's time to rip out the old, inefficient ways of working, and the most inefficient is our reliance on the traditional desktop system. Over the past 30 years, the model has moved from physical endpoint management to virtual endpoint management, and the transition has not been smooth. IT departments are increasingly siloed. Desktop and server management groups operate in the dark. Storage strategies for PCs and servers are incompatible and increasingly complicated. Businesses that want to compete have to re-centralize their siloed IT functions. The ideal solution will address the transient nature of an increasingly mobile workforce. They work from multiple locations on a multitude of connected devices, and they expect their desktops, apps, and data to follow them wherever they go. CIOs are embracing VDI as the way to transform their businesses from the PC era to the virtual desktop era. But the first generation of VDI has proven insufficient. CIOs are disillusioned with the results because VDI Gen2 was simply an attempt to extend server virtualization to the desktop. It's expensive to implement and maintain, it's limited by its legacy server foundation, and it's overly complex, a nightmare for administrators and users. Introducing VDI Gen2 from Virtual Bridges. Instead of trying to retrofit server virtualization into the world of desktops, we built a VDI solution from the ground up to support desktop virtualization across the entire spectrum of connected devices. Users have access to their desktops and data no matter where they are working or what type of device they choose to use. It allows a business's workforce to be truly global without having to change the way they work. How does Virtual Bridges VDI Gen2 accomplish this? By tackling the 3 C's of Gen1 VDI: cost, complexity, and coverage. Our solution is often half the cost of competing solutions, removes complexity by presenting a unified console for administrators and a simple browser-based interface for users. And we expand coverage by allowing offline access, supporting branch users, and offering virtualization on Windows, Linux, and mobile devices. Let's take a look at how this works in a real-world situation. Administrators access the VERDE console via a simple web-based interface. The VERDE console dashboard allows tracking of key performance indicators and resources in the current virtualized environment, such as CPU load, sessions, and memory usage. The configuration area allows administrators to set up and manage Windows and Linux operating system gold images via a simple check-in, check-out system. New gold images can be created in a matter of seconds. Desktop policies are used to assign gold images to the various user groups in the administrator's organization. Each assignment has optional deployment modes that indicate how the gold images can be accessed, whether through standard VDI or in disconnected modes via Leaf Drive or Leaf Desktop. VERDE console also has robust reporting capabilities that enable administrators to track and audit live sessions, resource and desktop usage, and system events. For end users, the process is as simple as can be. Users access their virtual desktops via an elegant and powerful web-based interface. They choose the desktop they wish to access, click on play, and within moments, their personal desktop is loaded. Users can access their desktops, applications, and data from their office, their home, or on the road via connected tablet or mobile phone. Users stay more productive because they always have access to their personal settings, applications, and data. Virtual Bridges VERDE is the industry's first VDI Gen2 solution, delivering value to online, offline, and branch environments, all from the same management interface. It offers organizations unified monitoring and management of virtual desktops, high-definition multimedia support, automatic bidirectional sync for true mobility, and advanced cloud branch capabilities, including disaster recovery and business continuity. VERDE can scale up to 10,000 clustered servers or scale down to a single server configuration, making it the ideal solution for any organization, from mid-market to large enterprise to service providers, and from on-premises to hosted and cloud-based deployments. Virtual bridges require significantly fewer resources to manage and costs approximately 50% less than competitive solutions. VDI Gen2 Virtual Bridges makes it possible.